Hey everybody, this is Jackie Parrish. Today is day 30. Can you believe it? It has been 30 days, 30 videos, 30 amazing women. We did it, guys. We did it. Yay. Let's give ourselves a hand. I just wanted to really on this video just to express my gratitude and my thanks and just all of these warm, bubbly things that I have inside for this great, phenomenal group of women. For Lori, Cecilia, Stars teaching us how to be a woman, Allison on her health and wellness, Lori, Sue, Samantha, Tracy with the Stiletto Millionaires, Jackie Wild. Oh my goodness, guys, Claire, the list goes on and on because remember, it's 30 of us, so I'm trying to remember everyone, but just shouts out to everyone on the team, all 30 ladies. Oh my goodness, Jenna, and our other co-host, I'm probably going to mess up her name, that's why I don't want to say it. It starts with a P, you know who you are. But I am just so grateful that I was accepted to participate in this challenge. I am so grateful that along this journey we have bonded and we have grown, and I particularly have grown. I have learned so much from you ladies, and I am just honored to be in the midst of just some phenomenal, powerful women. And I just want to say thank you so much, and thank you to everyone that has supported us and supported me. And don't stop. We're not stopping. Now, I'm not saying we're going to do another 30 days, but continue to follow us and continue to support us in our journeys. We are women that have started businesses, and we are just doing it, as they say, as my kids say. We're just doing it. We're doing our thing. So I am once again just so grateful, and I feel kind of sad in a way because I'm like, it's like a love affair is ending or something of our 30 days. So I'm kind of sad because it was exciting. We got a little behind on our videos, but the one thing I liked about us and everyone supporting each other is that when we did get behind and, we let everybody know, look, I'm behind on my videos. People rallied, the ladies rallied, and they, pushed us and said, you can do it, you can finish, just keep it moving, just keep going. So the challenge, we accepted the challenge, we completed the challenge, and we did it. We just did it. That's all I can say. So once again, guys, don't stop supporting me. Thank you so much for supporting me. If you would like me to come out and speak to your group, to conduct a workshop, or to hire me for any of my services that I offer, please feel free to visit my website at www.ub-services.us. And you know the saying, until tomorrow, let's make it a now, a great, and a productive day. Talk to you soon. Bye.